Hey guys and assalamualaikum. If you guys are new here, I am Irie. I can't believe this moment of truth, guys. Oh my god. How do I work this thing? Okay, let me take a deep breath. Okay. Sorry ka, tiba. Freaking long. I have not been posting on YouTube. Yeah. I'm so sorry for like leaving you guys behind and not updating anything. I can't chill right now because I am overwhelming too excited. So you guys have read the title of this video. You guys probably know that I freaking bought a new iPad. Not really new, I haven't really had an iPad before. Yeah, this is my first iPad, so it is like not technically new. My first iPad lah, okay? Guys, so we're gonna go and buy my iPad. I cannot wait. We're waiting for my dad for now. So freaking
kalau tu tak scratch. Kita nak buat balik ke belum?
Can I get one of this? So can I get one of this? It's a 60 earphone. But this one is so nice. To put a pen. Oh my god guys, I'm so excited. But mine is bigger. Actually again, this one is more comfortable. It's so cool. Mine is 816, so mine is the most latest one. So I'm waiting for the abang to help me set up the iPad. We bought the pen already. There's a pen.
The pencil. That's why the atas ni for you to charge lah. USB-C. Using the existing cable pun boleh.
You're right. Oh, dia tak pasang lagi. Tak on lagi.
Dia tu pakai. Dia ada macam-macam app dia ada kan.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, okay. And it is so beautiful. There's the pen. We can attach the pen. Like, wow. It's chargeable, so. But oh my god, it feels so smooth when you ride it. Guys, I'm just so excited right now. I'm sorry if I look like so goody and just like I'm everywhere right now. My mind is not. My brain is not braining because I'm just too excited. I've been waiting for this moment. Okay, guys. Moment of truth. Oh, it's heavy. So this one is the iPad A16. It's the latest iPad, and I have the pen, but we're not gonna unbox it now. Oh my freaking god. There is the iPad. Cute. So there's like something guidance or whatever. We got the charger. Oh my god, I've always wanted an iPad. I feel like crying. not the color that I wanted, but it's okay. I just don't care at all about the color. I'm really crying right now. It's so beautiful. It's so gorgeous. It's so magnificent. It's so amazing. It's so stunning. It's so beautiful. It's so drop dead gorgeous, amazing, magnificent. Guys, can you just like tell how amazing this thing looks like? It looks so freaking thin. Sumpah ini kilo. I have the pen, so I'm just gonna test it out. Let's just open this up. I am going to be unboxing this. So I have unboxed the iPad already. Apple Pencil. So cute. Oh my god, look! That's the pen. Hold your new iPad up to the camera. What? I'm confused. I have to set this thing up. Oh, they have Touch ID here. That is extremely so cool. I'm puzzling, signing. Oh my god, we're almost there. We're almost there, guys. So satisfying to do this. I'm puzzling, signing in. We're good, guys. We are good. Try. Let's test it out. Ooh, that feels so soft. Yes, let's try. I have a pen now, and I can like put the pen here, or is it here? I'm like supposed to put the pen. Ta-da! It's so cute. Oh, fun fact! I ordered the iPad cover already, so I'm just gonna wait the sampai daya. So now I can finally be handy and like not bring too much to class, because I know I started uni, so like it's gonna be so handy, and it's gonna bring my iPad with me. So this thing is gonna be so useful for me and my uni and my class. Like I won't be like so careful like what should I bring, you know. I'm just gonna bring the iPad. Like I can just, oh, I have the iPad, you know. I can just write my notes on my iPad, and this thing is gonna be so freaking useful. I'm gonna keep the box because yes, I'm so happy, alhamdulillah. If you guys don't know, I always feel like whenever I want to go to class, like oh my god, I selalu rushing tau when I go to class. I always think like last minute, what should I bring, what should I bring, like should I bring like a book or what? But now I don't have to, because I have the iPad already. So write all my notes on my iPad, and just like, you know, it's gonna be so freaking useful. So fun fact, I actually set up everything already, but I'm gonna do another video of what's on my iPad, so tune in for that. Alhamdulillah, I am internally so freaking blessed. Guys, so that is basically it for this whole entire video. Thank you so much for watching and staying with me until the end of this video. I am so happy with my iPad. A dream came true. So comment below if you guys want to see another video of me showing what I have on my iPad, what's on my iPad 2025. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys when I post a new YouTube video. Bye. Guys, don't go yet. Stay with me. We're not done yet. There we go. But as a collaboration with Glad to Glow, I have teamed up with the Glad to Glow team to do a giveaway. I have teamed up with the Glad to Glow team to give you guys a collection of Glad to Glow products. You'll get it, and it is all yours. So now, how to actually enter and win? Number one, you have to make sure you follow at Erin Fazli and Glad to Glow on Instagram. Number two, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Erin Fazli, which you're watching right now. This is a must, okay? If you haven't subscribed, go freaking subscribe. Number three, like this video. Number 4, screenshot this video and post it on your Instagram story, and make sure you guys tag at @Fazli and Glad to Glow on Instagram. And make sure, this is a must, okay, listen, make sure your account is public so we can choose who's the winner. Oh, and not to forget also, the giveaway ends on 1 September 2025. So yeah, good luck! Bye!